Hey, this is Travis at 3 Corners Farm. Today I'm going to show you how I'm preparing this 3/4 acre for new rows. This place has been a pasture for many years, so it's never been used as a garden space of growing vegetables. So the ground has quite a bit of sod in it, and the property owner actually dished it up really well for me. So all I've been doing is adding a new layer of compost on top and raking out some of the extra big clumps and just putting those in my pathways. And then on top of that I've been adding wood chips that I got from a local tree service company. And the wood chips will actually help with the weeds, help keep some of the water in the ground, because here we get a lot of wind, and that'll help retain some of that water. And then it gives them nice pathways to walk on. So if I do irrigate heavy in the evening and get in the morning and do a harvest or something, I can just walk and it won't be muddy. And a little better footing, and it's kind of nice running the wheelbarrow over the wood path than when it was dirt. It's just smoother that way. But in between each one of my rows, they're 17 inches roughly, and they're right around 100 feet long, 30 inches wide. I have 8 rows going horizontal, and then I'm going to have the rest of the rows have to go vertical across, because this has a little slope to it. And these 8 rows are about the flattest part. And then behind me actually is a much leveler area where I plan on putting 2 20-foot by 40-foot greenhouses later in the year for season extension. And that's really all there is to building the rows. It's just a lot of manual labor. And since I'm building them real tight so I can get as many rows as I can in this lot, I'll have some shorter rows towards the end. I'm still building this as like a market garden, keeping the rows super close together. I'm doing them really long because I don't want a lot of broken space. I'll just split them up instead of doing 100 foot at a time. These will be planted at 50 feet unless it's something like onions where they need all spring and most of the summer to grow. But all my quick greens will all be done in 50-foot sections. My quick greens will be done all in 50-foot sections. That way after a couple weeks, or once I get my 2 true leaves, I'll plant the next 50 feet. That way I can keep a continuous grow, hopefully. We'll see how that works. This place is in the sun all day long, so the stuff should grow really fast for me here versus at our home lot. Once the leaves come on the oak trees, I only get a few hours of sunlight there. It's another reason I'm moving out to a place like this where I'm in the middle of all these orchards, so it's all open space. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and that's all I have for today. This is our first full year of being a full farmer. I'll be making videos of when we set up for the farmers market, how that goes, and there's some other co-ops I'm trying to get into in the area, farmer co-ops, and I'll give videos about how all that's working. I will talk to you later.